If you're looking to automate your lead generation and make your workflow more efficient, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into how to automate lead generation with Folk CRM. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how Folk CRM can streamline your lead management process and why it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Folk CRM isn't just another contact management tool. It's a powerful platform designed to help you organize, engage, and automate your lead generation efforts. Whether you're a freelancer, startup, or growing business, Folk CRM offers a simple yet effective way to track your leads and nurture them into long-term customers. And the best part? You can try it completely free with our exclusive link below, including bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's get into the automation features. Folk CRM offers powerful automation tools that can help you capture and qualify leads without lifting a finger. You can set up automated workflows to capture leads through forms or social media, and automatically push those leads into specific pipelines. This not only saves you time, but ensures no lead is left behind, even when you're busy focusing on other tasks. The software integrates with your email, making it easy to send automated follow-ups. Imagine not having to manually send emails every time a lead engages with your content or website. Folk CRM takes care of that for you, using preset email templates that trigger based on your criteria. These automation rules help you stay consistent and timely, two key factors in turning leads into conversions. Another huge benefit is the flexibility Folk CRM provides with its tags and segmentation features. You can categorize your leads based on their behavior, interests, or stage in the sales funnel. This allows you to personalize communication and target leads with more relevant messages, increasing the chances of conversion. And because it's all automated, you don't have to spend hours managing this process manually. Folk CRM also includes task management automation, so you never miss a step. Whether you need to schedule follow-up calls or set reminders for a lead's next action, Folk CRM can handle it. By automating these tasks, you ensure that your team is always on top of their game, reducing human error and making your sales pipeline run smoother. What really sets Folk CRM apart is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to set up automations. The platform's user-friendly interface and customizable features make it easy for anyone to get started, no matter their experience with CRM tools. But here's the kicker. Folk CRM isn't just about lead capture and follow-up. It offers a full suite of tools to manage relationships and convert leads into loyal customers. You'll be able to track each lead's journey through your funnel, engage with them through personalized outreach, and analyze the data to optimize your efforts. Plus, you can sync your team's progress, making sure everyone stays aligned in your lead generation efforts. I highly recommend checking out Folk CRM if you're serious about automating your lead generation. Remember, you can access it completely free by using the link in the description below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value out of this powerful tool. Don't miss out. Automating your lead generation can save you countless hours while improving your overall conversion rates. Folk CRM provides an easy and efficient way to manage leads. And with the bonus trial, you've got everything you need to hit the ground running. Click the link below to get started now and take advantage of this extended free trial offer.